Hey everyone, this is Jenna. Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. This little guy is what we're drawing today, this little Easter bunny. So what we're going to start with is, do you see the overall shape is kind of like a big rock shape? So see how it's kind of rounded here and it kind of goes, it has kind of like more of a point here. So right here, we're just going to do that overall shape. Sometimes it's helpful to just start with overall shapes to start so you get the proportion. And then we're just going to do like a little, that same shape, but this, see how it's kind of oval on this side and pointy over here? So we're going to do that same shape on top of the shape you just did. So just do that really, really lightly. See, that's just kind of stacking it how I want it, okay? And then we're going to pretty much erase all of those marks once you're happy with where everything is. So starting here, we're going to start, notice this shape, it goes over here, and then a little bulge out, and then it's really quite rounded. So let's make this, we're kind of just refining all the shapes that we like and getting rid of anything that we don't like. So here it goes. You can actually see the nose because it's actually quite turned away from you a bit, okay? So starting here, we're gonna do the ear. The ear looks like a leaf shape and it's back. They're quite wide considering how small this little head is. So start inside the head and it's bulging out and then to a point, and then I like to come back to here and then do the other side, okay? And as you can see, it's kind of folded, it kind of goes in and then like that. So try that. In like that and then like that. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of shading to the outside of that ear. And then as you can see, there's a second ear, and all we're gonna do is start maybe right about here and do that bulge, and it goes right down to here. So just always shade the one that's in the back to make it look like it's further behind. Okay, I'm gonna put a little shading in there. Okay, now we're gonna do the eye. So the eye, I like to always start with the eye, but we didn't today. So as you can see, you're just gonna do a little circle. I'm really aware I'm gonna leave a circle of light and then a little curve of light. Can you see that? It's kind of hard to see, but here we are. So there's this circle. So here's my circle, and then I'm gonna go back and make sure I have that little circle of light. That's what really makes it look good, I think. Okay, you see what I did? And then there's like a little tick there. That looks really good, I like that. And then a little bit of shading here, just behind the eye, just like that. So just take your pencil and go like that. And behind the ear, I wanna get rid of this line. Just take your eraser, erase that. And you're just gonna do some flick marks with your pencil. There we go. So I'm doing the back of the neck here. Just from the base of the ear, we're just gonna do some flick marks out here. And then we're gonna do, so here's that kind of fuzzy chest. You're gonna go out, in, out, in, out, in. And they have this nice big ridge of fur and skin that kind of bulges out when they hunker down. So this one's hunkered down and they're just eating some lettuce or whatever. We're gonna put that little paw so it sticks out like this. So come here, you're gonna just make it stick out like this. And then it's flat at the bottom. That's gonna really help you do all kinds of feet, right? So just do the little paw. And then kind of shaggy line, there's this line because that goes back and then up. And then this is the foot and goes back and up. So we're gonna kind of do that line. And then here's the back of the back foot. Here we go. And the flat. And then I'd like this a little bit longer and a bit higher here. So I'm just refining that shape that I first drew. Okay. And just get rid of any lines you don't like. There we go. Good. I'm just going to kind of make this a bit rounder. There we go. Oh yeah, I can put a little toe there if you like. That's just the secondary little toe. Okay, and then this is a little bit different than the first one, but that's okay. Let's do a little tail. You can do this cute little round tail or kind of a bit further up and fluffy if you want. They kind of look like this in real life, so I kind of like that. Good, and I might make him eating a carrot. Maybe he's right in the middle of it. I'm just gonna draw a little carrot. Just gonna do those little hairlines. Just really enjoying that carrot. And there's some fluffy leaves on it. Oh, he's loving that. There we go. Okay, so looking back at the other one, this has a little bit of shading in there. That will make it look like it's more 3D. So let's put a little bit of, you're just kind of doing flick marks, like kind of fluffy marks. You want it to look really soft. I might put some shadows on this side. And I might just take my finger and just smudge it so it's nice soft lines. Okay, I like that little line there. Just a tiny indication for a nose if you want. The face is tilted a bit more, so you don't really see all the details of that eye, or sorry, of that nose. Yeah, so there we go. We have a little, let's put a little shadow around him. There we go, it's just a little shadow. Yeah, just a little bunny. So happy Easter, have some fun, and I hope you draw my little bunny. Bye.